Hi friends! Today we're making a cute 5-petal flower keychain, perfect for gifts or accessories. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like and subscribe to support the channel. For round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 5 single crochets into it. Ins are 5SC. Great job! You're setting the base for the flower center. Tip: keep your tension loose for the magic ring so you can pull it tight easily later. Moving on to round 2. Work 5 increases in the back loops only. 5 ink below. That means you'll do 2 single crochets in each stitch around in the back loop. Tip: below gives a nice ridge for the petals to sit on. Don't skip it. For round 3, repeat this 5 times. 1 single crochet, then 1 increase, all in the back loops only. 5X, SC ink, BLO. You're doing amazing. This round helps the flower spread out gently. Tip: mark your first stitch if it helps you keep track. Next, for round 4, repeat 5 times. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then 1 single crochet again, all in BLO. 5X, SC, ink, SC, BLO. The circle is growing beautifully. Keep it up. Tip: try to count your stitches after each repeat so you don't get lost. Now it's time to shape the petals. You'll do this 5 times. Slip stitch, chain 4, make 1 double crochet cluster, 2 double crochet clusters twice, 1 double crochet cluster, chain 4, and slip stitch back. 5 SBX, CelST, EJ4, 1 DC cluster, 2 DC cluster, 2 DC cluster, 1 DC cluster, CH4, SLST. Tip: take your time with the clusters. It's what makes the petals look fluffy. Switching to light pink yarn now. In the front loops only of round 2, repeat 5 times. Chain 8 and slip stitch into the same loop. FLO, CH8, SLSET, X5. These will be the big outer petals. You got this. Tip, keep your chain loops consistent in size for an even look. Next round, still in front loops only, repeat this 10 times. Chain 7 and slip stitch into the next front loop. Flow, TA7, SLSIT, X10. Wow, look at that texture. Keep going. Tip, you can block the flower later to make the loops more defined. For the final petal round in the front loops, repeat this 15 times, chain 6 and slip stitch. Flow. Izikchix, SLSD, X15. This adds lovely volume to your flower. Almost there. Tip, let the flower curl naturally. It adds to the charm. Now let's make a cute leaf. Using green yarn, chain 6. Then, skip 1 chain, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 single crochets into the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Beautiful job. That leaf brings the whole piece to life. Tip: shape the leaf with your fingers after finishing to give it a natural curve. And that's it. You've just made a beautiful 5-petal flower keychain with a little leaf. Isn't it adorable? Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your crafty friends. I can't wait to see your creations. Happy crocheting!